In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize a blog for SEO in HubSpot, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. So if you're ready to boost your blog's visibility and improve your SEO game, make sure your devices are powered up, and let's dive right in. First, head over to the HubSpot website. It's the hub for everything we're going to be doing today. Once there, you'll want to look for the login button. You'll find this at the top right corner of their homepage. Click this button and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to take this time to create one, as HubSpot can be a powerhouse for managing your digital marketing efforts. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the HubSpot home interface. From here, navigate to the blog section. To do this, find and click on the content tab in the main menu. This will reveal more options below where you'll see blog. Click on that to proceed. This is where all your blog posts are managed, so it's going to be central to the task at hand. Now that you're on your blog page, you should see a list of your previously published blog posts. Your next step is to choose the blog you want to optimize. Simply browse through the list and select the one you need by clicking on it. Remember, you can repeat this process for other blogs too, so for now, focus on one to get the hang of it. With your blog selected, you'll now see an option labeled Optimize. Click on that. This is where the magic happens. HubSpot provides tools to ensure your blog is fully optimized for search engines. It will show you suggestions such as improving your meta descriptions, adjusting keyword usage, and enhancing the readability of your content. Take a moment to review these suggestions carefully. They're based on proven SEO practices that can significantly increase your blog's performance. If you're unsure about any suggestions, HubSpot often provides additional explanations or tips right within the interface. Don't rush through this. Thoughtful adjustments here can be very impactful. While making these tweaks, ensure everything aligns with your overall content strategy and brand voice. Once you've applied the necessary changes, make sure to save your work. And that's it, you've successfully optimized your blog post for SEO in HubSpot. Remember, SEO isn't a one-time task, and it's a good idea to regularly revisit your blog posts, especially popular ones, to ensure they continue to perform well. In future sessions, you can dive deeper into analytics to monitor how these optimizations affect your traffic. For now though, you've laid a strong foundation. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging.